Uh, Yo, what's up, peoples? Again, making a video outside. As you can see, it's full of snow, but it's not quite as cold, you know. It's just slightly above the temperature, I believe, which means that it's snowing. Kind of crazy. But at least we're getting some, real snow. I mean, it's second time of the year, of the season, at least. So yeah, just decided to give you guys some an update with the snow, what it looks like, and loud noises, of course. It's part of the city, and yeah, looks pretty good though. I mean, the way that the snow on the ground and on the cars, the way that it looks, Of course, I'm gonna continue doing some gardening soon. I mean, not until March, at least. So, okay. I decided to give you guys some more updates on how to start seedlings indoors, which might take a while, to be honest, because depending on the seed what you're like planting, like what kind of if you're planting peppers like I do, it would take quite a bit of time. So you have to start early, like as early as you can. Sometimes, like if you got like really hot peppers. So but for me is even March, I start my seedlings on 1st of March. That'll do fine. So anyways, so I hope you guys have a nice one. And yeah, it was loud, but yeah, I hope you guys have a nice one. And yeah, peace out. Laters.